Alright, here's a line that passes through these 2 points, and we need to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So to do that, first we need to find the slope between these 2 points. So the slope of this will end up being the difference between the y's. So this is, some of you guys call this rainbow method, where we have this fraction here. And from -4 to 6, you would have to add 10. So -4 plus, that's a 10, is going to get us 6. So that's 10 in our numerator. From 4 to 6, you would add 2 right here. And that gives us a slope of 5. Now that we have that, we can write this in slope-intercept form once we have simplified it from point-slope form. So that's what I'm going to use here. So I'm just setting it up, and I know my slope is 5. And from here I get to choose which point I want to use. Do I want to use 4, -4 or 6, 6? So because these points, the values are different, I am going to use 4, -4. The x value is 4, and the y value, I'll get rid of this, is a -4 like this. Now I'll distribute 5 times x is 5x, minus 5 times 4 is 20, and I still have this -4 here. Y equals 5x minus 20 minus 4. So y ends up equaling 5x, -20 minus 4 is a -24. That's it. Since this is simplified in the slope-intercept form from point-slope form, we are done.